My dog ate my Ethernet cable. So today's Tech Tuesday, I'm going to be installing a Wi-Fi card. Because I don't have an Ethernet cable long enough to reach my computer because my router is all the way in my living room on the other side of this wall. Because there's only one place in my apartment that I could plug it in that it would work, so. This is my cord. It's in many pieces now. Here's one piece. Oh, here's a small piece. Also, I had command hooks, and they were like up here, and I had the Ethernet cable like wrapping around here and going up there and around. And you can see she tore those right off, so the paint came off. And I don't exactly know what was going on here, but there's places where the paint isn't on there. Dude, she did a number on this place. I don't know. Usually I had her locked in that room, and I'm holding this camera so weird. Normally I don't really lock her in there, but if I was kind of in a hurry this morning and if I have stuff on the counter, she's naughty and she gets it off, so I shoved her in there and she just causes chaos. But anyway, that's what we're gonna do, so let's do it. I took the Wi-Fi card out of my son's computer, which is nice because it also has Bluetooth, and I actually have a pair of headphones that are connectable by Bluetooth, and I just don't have a Bluetooth card in my computer, so now I can finally use those wirelessly, so that's nice. Okay, so I have my anti-static wrist strap connected. I'm just gonna connect it. I got a sticky outy piece on my computer. So this I am going to put in this slot here, right under the graphics card. There's supposed to be antennas that go on here. I have to go find them. It does work without the antennas, but it works better with. So slide it in. Okay, match it up and then slide it, just push it in. So just line it up nice and it'll push in real nice and click into place really nicely. Nice. So put that right in here, screw this in place so it holds and doesn't flop around and ruin your expansion slot. And that's all there is to it, honestly. Oh no, I lied to you guys. I lied to you. I need to go grab the power cord. I left that in my son's computer. I'll be right back. Okay, not every network card will require a power cord, but this one does. It came with the cord. So it's got this tiny itty bitty little plug-in. And you plug in to the card itself, and then this side connects to a USB 2.0 hookup. And I've got plenty on bottom there, so oh my gosh. This is why I enjoy working on motherboards when they're out of the case, because oh my gosh, everything's so tight. So I plugged everything in. Now I'm just going to turn it on and make sure it works. So as you can see, I am now connected to the secure network, and I can see everyone else's networks, and Wi-Fi is on. So it worked. I didn't have to download any drivers. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.